Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna be working on the motorcycle I bought 6 months ago and it's been sitting here ever since, under this cover for the past 6 months. So let's uncover it and let's get started. Show up as I'm working. Look at this dude.
Move fast, I gotta improve. This shit not forever. When Jonathan died, I was my living proof. So nigga, if you want my trust, you gotta earn it. Don't ask, have you heard of me? I never heard that shit. Nigga, we don't talk too much, I had to learn that shit. If you made me cross that bridge, I guess I'll burn.
So this is a 05 Kawasaki Ninja 500R. This is my first bike. I still don't know how to ride a bike properly. But you know, we're just gonna start building it. Yo, it's been sitting here for 6 months. You think it's gonna start?
Let's see.
Nah, it's dead. Definitely dead.
Yeah. Let me get some bits.
Ready? You ready? Ooh.
The other day, right?
So the reason it looks like this is because if you guys haven't seen an 05 like stock Kawasaki Ninja, it looks ugly as fuck. Like the fairing and stuff, it looks like a really old bike.
Some of the ugliest bikes I've seen.
Huh?
Some of the ugliest bikes I've seen.
Bro. Alright, the first day I got it, literally, the guy came, dropped it off. I took all the fairings off, every single fairing off. I took the headlight off. And that night I ordered every single part and it's been sitting in my house for like the past 3 months, the parts, and the bike's been sitting here for like 6 months.
But he's gonna make this shit mad clean. Mad clean.
The inspiration I have is, if you guys seen Hobbs and Shaw, like Fast and Furious, is the bike in there with the 2 LED headlights that go like that. It's gonna kind of look like that, but headlights are definitely gonna look like that. So yeah, let's start putting stuff on. All the parts that I have right now. So these are gonna be the headlights, and I got the brackets with it. And these are the side mirrors that go like at the end of the handlebar. I got this exhaust tips, digital cluster, and the tail lights. Oh, right, and the signal lights too. These are kind of weird, but I'm just gonna go with it. Alright, so let's start off putting the brackets for the headlights. God damn it. There you go.
Where'd you get that bracket?
eBay. Everything is from eBay.
Yeah, everything he bought is from eBay. Cause it's hard to trust somebody.
I'm not gonna tighten it all the way yet. We put the brackets on both sides. Now let's test fit the headlights. I wish I went bigger now. Actually, I have extras. I have the ones from the Miata.
They're bigger, right?
Yeah, they're bigger. I'll probably try those on too.
These look nice though.
They blind. Even though I walk through the valley shadows of death, I looked up to the sky, the light beaming, forgot I'm blessed. Passing by the tree, see the eyes appear on my left. Breathe out on my face, see the ghosts appear from my breath. Nigga, I ain't even make it nowhere that far. Hating niggas watching, we know that part. Tryna kill my vibe, they're tryna kill my art. Hand right on the handle, knife in my heart. Never be me, I wanna be me. Just let me be me, I wanna be me, yeah. I know I'm blunt, but I'm as kind as I can be, yeah. I can't let you put one off a skirt on me, no. So nigga, if you want my trust, you gotta earn it. Don't ask, have you heard of me? I never heard that shit. Nigga, we don't talk too much, I had to learn that shit. If you made me cross that bridge, I guess I'll burn that shit. So nigga, if you want my trust, you gotta earn it. Don't ask, have you heard of me? I never heard that shit. Nigga, we don't talk too much, I had to learn that.
So here's what it looks like after I'm done. I mean, in my opinion, this is a little too far off. I also have like bigger LEDs. I'm probably gonna try that on later, but other than that, it looks pretty good.
It's hard to trust somebody. They just watching me, they watching. They be plotting on me, they plotting.
I'll throw some pictures of the car, what it looked like before I took everything off, so you guys could compare it after.
Forgot I'm blessed. Passing by the tree, see the eyes appear on my left. Breathe out on my face, see the ghosts appear from my breath. Nigga, I didn't even make it nowhere that far. Hating niggas watching, we know that part. Tryna kill my vibe.
Now I'm gonna do the turn signal lights. Gonna put it right here, probably on the bottom. It wraps around like this. Alright, so let's get to it.
Forget sometimes your people exist, to tell you the truth. It's time on space, I'm cutting off ties and getting my loot. Cats don't have to see, gotta move fast, I gotta improve. This shit not forever, when Jonathan died, I was my living proof. So nigga, if you want my trust, you gotta earn it. Don't ask, have you heard of me? I never heard that shit. Nigga, we don't talk too much, I had to learn that shit. If you made me cross that bridge, I guess I'll burn.
I never took the handlebars off a bike before, so let's see how this goes. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Oh, that's easy.
Niggas watching me, they watching. They be playing on me, they playing.
Well, time for these. Ooh, who's that? Ooh.
Niggas watching me, they watching. They be playing on me, they playing. Even though I walked through the valley shadows of death, I looked up to the sky, the light beaming, forgot I'm blessed. Passing by the tree, see the eyes appear on my left. Breathe out on my face, see the ghosts appear from my breath. Nigga, I didn't even make it nowhere that far. Hating niggas watching, we know that part. Tryna kill my vibe, they're tryna kill my art. Hand right on the handle, knife in my heart. Never be me, I wanna be me. Just let me be me, I wanna.
I'm gonna paint the gas tank wrinkled black. Other than that, the front is done. Ignore the wiring, I will be doing that later. Tuck that in for now. I think for today's video, I'll just do the exhaust and then call it a day. And for part 2, I'll do the rest of the mods. For part 2, I'll probably do the tail lights and the digital gaze cluster. Those are the exhaust for now. Kinda also want to get the black aluminum pull-in overflow reservoir, because this kind of looks out of place. Not out of place, but like the color scheme doesn't go together. I also have the heat wrap for the exhaust. Probably gonna heat wrap it. So when I take out this muffler, it's gonna be completely straight piped, which is super loud. That's how I like it. So let's do a before and after sound of the exhaust. See how it sounds. I already took out this because it's usually over here. So it'd be easier to do this video. On both sides, I kind of make the thing loose. So yeah, let's start it. Now let's put these on. Before I start doing the exhaust, let me get his opinion on everything I've done so far. He was out there wrapping his trim parts. I'm gonna show you your job, bro.
See the ghost I pay for my brain. Nigga, I ain't even.
So he did this right here, and he did this part, but that was done before. And here's what the other side looks like. Chrome. Alright. It's not about your car today, bro. Your car gets enough love. Alright, tell me how that looks.
That's fire. That's fire. You straighten it up and shit. Oh
Yep.
my god.
Keep the side mirrors and everything.
Nah,
and the,
that's
and the
fire.
turn signal.
I just peed. Yo, I just picked the side ones too. That's clean, that's clean. Wow.
I call it the Ratchet Mobile.
Bro, it changed up the look so much.
Alright, so let's pull this mufflers off right now. Like I said, I loosened it before. That's why it's...
Yeah, I picked that. What the hell? Is that hot at all?
not.
That's what you need, they watching. They be plotting on me, they plotting.
Alright, I'm gonna start
Pump
it.
is so big.
Even without the tips. I mean, even after you put the tips on, it shouldn't make that much of a difference. You ready? It's gonna be loud. I hate how now it doesn't start.
Bruh. No way.
Alright, so for some reason it's starting now. So here's what it sounds like with no mufflers, just completely straight pipe.
Just a little.
You know, just out of nowhere, it starts again. Alright guys, we tried putting on the exhaust. Oh, bring the thing. My pipes are too small, so I have to weld a little adapter over here, but I don't have a welder. So I'm gonna just go get JB weld for now, and when this bike is registered and everything and I could ride it to a shop, I'll go get it welded. So I have to weld this right here, this clamp right here. And then on top of that is where the exhaust goes. So it'd go like that.
So it's gonna look. It's pretty fire, pretty fire. Much cleaner than last time. Yes.
Yeah. Today, I put the stock mufflers back on, and I'm gonna temporarily wire the headlights and the turn signal lights on to see how it looks. Temporarily. Don't come at me at the comments. Temporarily.
yard. Hand right on the handle, knife in my heart. Let me be me, I wanna be me. Just let me be me, I wanna be me, yeah. I know I'm blown, but I'm as kind as I can be, yeah. I can't let you pulling off a skirt on me, no. So nigga, if you want my trust, you gotta earn it. Don't accept.
Wired in the headlights. This is what it looks like. It also has a strobe mode, and it goes straight like that.
That's so fire. That's actually fire.
Let me show you with the signal lights too. Alright, so I wired in everything temporarily, even the turn signal lights, and this is what it looks like. That's the strobe mode and just regular mode with the hazards on, I guess. I like the strobe mode.
I like the smoother one, but this is still fire. That's clean, bro.
I tucked it away again till I get all the other parts so I could finish it. But for now, this is it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on post notification on, and catch you guys later.
Cause it's hard to trust somebody. Niggas watching me, they watching. They be flying on me, they flying.